back to the PhD Prep Lab channel. So, CSIR CDRI Lucknow has released notifications regarding some of their skill developmental programs. So, after you come to their website, the official website of CSIR CDRI Lucknow, you can scroll down here. You will find that they have mentioned the course and the coordinator and schedule, etc. So today we'll talk about the CAD course, that is their certification course on skill development in computational approaches on drug design and development certificate. So I'll click on this link. The official PDF will open here. So this is their CSIR Integrated Skill Initiative. So it's a research institute and whatever they have mentioned about their institute and in this PDF. So we'll scroll past it, and they have mentioned that about this course that this is the uh, theory and application based course on physical, quantum mechanical, statistical techniques in drug research and informatics applications in pharma industry to improve efficiency, quality, and risk assessment in the development of drugs, formulations, and molecular materials. So the title of the course they have mentioned is the CAD course, the Computational Approach to Drug Design and Development Certificate. And the duration for this course is 6 weeks. It's going to start from 10th of November to 19th of December 2025. The number of seats are 10 here. The educational qualification that you must possess before applying for this course is Chem MSc. In this, you can have MSc in Chemistry, Physics, Life Sciences, Biotechnology, Bioinformatics, M.Pharm, or M.Tech in Biotechnology or Bioinformatics with basic computational knowledge. The venue of the course is going to be Center for Bioinformatics and Computational Biology, CSIR CDRI, Lucknow. The course fees that they are charging is 10,000 rupees. The date of application is from 15th of September to 15th of October 2025, and the selected participants will be informed by 25th of October by mail. The resource person name is mentioned here, Dr. M.I. Siddiqui, and the email is also mentioned here. So the training is for those who are young researchers or students in an industry sponsored personnel who are looking for training in computational approaches to drug design and developmental aspects. This course will provide an opportunity for skill development and hands-on experience in the chosen area. The course structure is going to be oriented for academic and research and industrial R&D. The topics that are going to be covered are fundamentals of computing, operating system, information technology, etc., introduction to statistical thinking in drug research, types of data, sample and population, etc., introduction and applications of computer aided drug design, bioinformatics, chem informatics, etc., fundamentals of protein architecture, protein sequence and structural database, modeling, docking, simulation, etc. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, and data mining in drug discovery is also the topic, one of the topics. Introduction to solid form of informatics, computational approaches in crystalline form selection and solid form development, hands-on training and tutorials, and all project assignments are also going to be a part of this course. Okay, so methods of instruction is going to be in English, and there is going to be theory and practical lessons as per course. Interactive sessions are going to be there. The focus is going to be on current needs of pharma and life sciences industry. Guest lecturers of expert from the industry and academia are also going to be there. The evaluation will also be done for the trainees on the basis of theory courses and practical projects for 50-50 marks each, and the certificates will be awarded to the participants who are going to be successfully completing the course. For more details, you can check out their application or contact to the email, whatever information is mentioned on the PDF. You can find the link for the PDF in our description box. And if you have any further doubt regarding this course, you can definitely drop a comment. If you like this video, do make sure to follow us for more videos and give it a thumbs up. And thank you for watching.